Are you too looking for a way to publish featured channels list on your YouTube channel? If yes, then you have come to the right place. But before we start, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Featured channels are the channels that you want to promote on a YouTube page alongside videos, playlists, and community posts. There are a number of reasons why as a creator you may want to feature other channels on your YouTube page. Number 1, you may want to promote your alternative channels. Number 2, you may want to verify which channels are yours. Or number 3, maybe, just maybe, you want to build your community. Now, moving on to the solution. In order to enable this feature, you will need a desktop. Unfortunately, YouTube Mobile doesn't have the option to add channels to your featured list. So, on your desktop, sign into your YouTube account. Click your profile in the upper right corner. Go to YouTube Studio. This will bring you to your channel's homepage. Scroll down to the left menu and choose Customization. Under Featured Sections, click the Add section. The Add section button will give you different options. Scroll down and choose Featured Channels. A pop-up box will show fill out the necessary details. However, before you start, make sure you have all the names of the channels you are going to feature so that adding them to the list will go smoothly. For example, I'm gonna name my section tile as Group Channels. Now, in order to add the channel, you will copy the URL of the channel page and paste it on the space given. The channel will be visible. Click it and click on Done. You will see the channel has been featured on your profile. Publish. And now you will go to your channel to see the results. That's it. The job has been done. I hope you all are satisfied with the solution provided, and if you are, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support.